Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 400 horsepower engine with the Holley Sniper 2 fuel injection system for a customer's 1967 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We have the 351 Windsor engine here, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rock arms are fully adjusted and set. Engine block is painted the blue with the brass freeze plugs. Customer needed the rear sump oil pan for the suspension he's installing. Got the oil stick and tube on there. Real nice blue Taylor ignition wires with all the wire markers all set in place. Real nice Ford Racing blue valve covers with a matching 13-inch air cleaner. Distributor set in place. Aluminum intake manifold. Holley Sniper EFI 2 system on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket. We'll set the menu screen on the Holley Sniper system. All the settings will be set for the customer, all dialed in, ready to go. We have the standard flywheel on there, Ford Racing billet steel flywheel, proper balance with 351 Windsor. We will be installing the starter index plate on there for the customer's bell housing, and the clutch. That'll be on there. We have the external fuel pressure regulator mounted. The fuel pressure will be set to 60 psi. We have the heavy duty Russell fuel line on there. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed on the intake manifold for any vacuum hookups. The real nice polished Wraptor pulley kit on here. Self-tensioning belt tensioner. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. AC compressors on there. Thermostat housing, the correct thermostat housing for the 67 Mustang. High flow thermostat, coolant bypass hose, correct standard rotation, aluminum water pump with the lower hose on the passenger side, correct for the 67 Mustang. 160 amp one wire hookup alternator right here. Power steering pumps on there. We have the proper power steering pressure valve in there for the customer's power steering. So everything you can see is complete, ready to go, custom built. Every engine is live run. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the test stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. Again, we dial in the Sniper EFI system. All the settings will be set, ready to go, plug and play. We check for leaks. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So again, this is our 351 Windsor 400 horsepower engine, the polished Wraptor pulley kit, Holley Sniper fuel injection, ready to go for the 67 Mustang. Thanks for watching.